Officer Kane, who works at the ATC, approached AJ and Michelle, who, like I said, teach the digital art and design class, in order to get advice on how to clean up these blueprints. Because basically what he was given was like architectural drawings, blueprints, schematics, that sort of thing. But he wanted to look at how to clean these things up, simplify them, so that it'd be something that officers could use.
Me and my students first did those just for him, and when we were done, he showed them to Sergeant Johnson. He basically said, "Oh, can you do that for the rest of the school district's schools?" So that's when I talked to Michelle.
And I have digital art 4 class. It's the advanced class. They have a lot of skills, so we collected from all the SROs all the maps of the schools, and we gave one to each student in the class, and each student was assigned schools, and it came out great. In the end, we had minor corrections to make, and then we got to submit the entire thing. So we got these certificates, and we were honored by the Rock Hill Police.
So now, when an officer is dispatched to a call for service at a Rock Hill school, you can click on attachments, and it pulls up a full-color schematic of the building, which includes areas of access and egress, adjacent roads and properties, roof access, and several other key points that are important for first responders. These updated floor plans are also valuable to the Rock Hill School District in their own emergency planning and response. So without the partnership and coordination between the Rock Hill Police Department and the Applied Technology Center, this project wouldn't have been possible. AJ and Michelle Soto, as well as their students, are to be commended for their hard work and their professional service. They are truly an asset to this community and a valuable partner of the Rock Hill Police Department.
Oh, we're very honored to be,
Helping with safety in the schools.
Yeah,
we have 2 children in school, so, and our students as well. I'm very proud of my students. It's great.
Oh, that's awesome.